A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is me, Shahzad Bugti, student of NED University Karachi. I am also active member of NED Scholar. I am reporting from village Khatan, which is located in district Dera Bukti. As you know, due to the recent floods and rains, many areas of country including Balochistan are highly damaged. Here too the system of life was paralyzed for a long time. People are living under the open sky. The houses and roads were completely destroyed. You may imagine the level of destruction from these houses. These are our houses. We are living in this condition. Still many areas have standing water, due to which a lot of diseases are spreading like malaria, typhoid, etc. Government and other organizations are doing their work, and I would like to thank NED Scholar and especially Dr. Sohail Ahmed for helping us in this tough time. And also I want to thank all the welfare organizations and governments who are contributing in these areas. I would like to end up my conversation here with the line of Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal that जिस दौर में जीना मुश्किल हो उस दौर में जीना लाजिम है. Wassalam. Thank you so much for supporting.